Hi Rebecca, Kate here. So I'm just responding to your video about cellular respiration. I thought it was really great. I think you broke it down really well and it was pretty easy to understand, so well done. So the professor's prompt asks us to explain how much ATP is created if oxygen isn't present. So as you noted, that glycolysis is the only thing that really occurs without oxygen. So the electron transport chain and the citric acid cycle and the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, they don't occur without oxygen present, so none of that happens. And that's pretty much where the bulk of ATP is formed. So as you said before in your video, there's actually 4 ATP that are created from glycolysis. I also noted this in my video as well, but we need to use 2 of them to create the 4. So all in all, the net production is 2 ATP. So if oxygen is not present, there's really only 2 ATP that are formed. All right.